simple
Yes.
method, simple tool. So why we are recommending PowerPoint? You see somebody like Chetna, okay, she did this kind of graphic designing. Can anybody
Mm-hmm.
now think that this is the ad which has been created by the Chetna, or everybody will think like it is a graphic designer work only, right?
It's so good. It's so beautiful. Yep.
Okay, so you can see that. So there is a lot of graphics in that, and obviously
Mm-hmm.
everybody will think that the graphic designer only has might have designed this,
Yeah. And she
right?
put her logo as well.
Yes. Okay. So she has
Great
created
job,
all those things.
Chetna.
So
Yeah, it's so good. Yeah, sir. She did a good job.
yeah, that is what I'm saying. So it is only one day. That too hardly 15-20 minutes only I might have taught you. So this is the progress. Okay. So
Yes.
seriously, if anybody will put the efforts, so anyone can get these things. So graphic designing, like usually we think that it is something else, like some great job. No, it is very simple job. Okay, I will show
Yeah.
you for a couple of other effects which you can create it on that graphic designing part, so that it will become very easy for you to do things. So we can get any, we can create any effects actually. So now we are learning the branded content development. Where is that English one? I'm missing that English. Yesterday we did somewhere. Okay, so let us create even the bigger one, the greater. So I'm just going to show you the effects now. I'm not going to create any good the new ads now. So just you can use these things later on. Okay. So now I'm drawing a shape, some kind of poster designing like Facebook poster designing wherein you need this. So now I'm just keeping these things aside, the same sheet. Now go to format shape. How do you bring in the quality in the image? That is what I'm showing you. Okay, I'm adding the, this is the photo of the crowd, because sometimes what happens, we need to add the background over there, right? So then we should add the branded color. Okay, it is useful for any regular ads also. Now what I'm doing, so as it is the Congress party's color, so we are adding the background of green color to it. Okay, so now let us see, just if you reduce the transparency, it is becoming your background. Okay, now you can put all your text whatever you want. Okay, if you see the political posters, so there will be some background, and again on that there will be something. right? So this is how simple it is. Are you able to see this? We are adding the color to it. Now I want to add the different color to it, like the red color I want. Okay, so whatever the branded color you wanted to bring in, that branded color effect you can bring in. See here, this is the yellow color effect. So you have the lever over there, so that will take care of everything. Okay, so just you need to set it in a proper format, then automatically you will get this kind of effect, right? So in the same way, we have a lot of effects which you can get it. Like I will show you the other effects also. For the objects also we can get the effects. Suppose there is a circle. So in that we are putting some logo like this. Okay. Now I wanted to add effect to it. Okay. So what exactly? So there is line. I don't need the line. No line around it. Okay. Now it is simple logo, right? But I wanted to add effect to it, like some white background or something. So here I have selected this. So here we have the glow effects, and the glow color is also, I can add the glow color to it. So whatever the object is there, so for that only we can add the color. Now for the glow color, because on the yellow color this text is not elevating, so I wanted to change the color for that. So here it is filling up the whole object, but I know I don't need that object color. It is shape effects, it is filling up the whole shape. So I wanted to select the background color. Now it is something showing like uh, light brown color, right? So I wanted to make it white. Yeah. Okay. So in the glow effects, we are able to find the white color. So we can set up the white color over there. And if you want to increase the transparency or decrease that, yes, you can do that. See, we have added the white color to the text now. Got it? So this is how one can create the good images now. So wherever you want, whatever the color you want, so you can blend it. Got it? So yesterday I have come across the good one wherein the color theory is also there. Color theory is also incorporated in that particular uh, the graphic designing. So especially when you are doing the branding activities, so we must know about the color. So guys, now you got to know the effects over here, whatever we want to create. And sometimes even if you want to create the rich images or rich uh, color or rich effects on these, so how do they do? So this is how they do. I am showing you that also. Now I am just putting these two things aside. So go to fill color over here, otherwise insert the pictures. Like if you want to bring in more richness in the advertisement or for that image, any image. So we will, what do we do is we create the effects. Like I wanted to add these things. Like I have these kind of effects. Like I have downloaded these effects earlier. Okay, so I'm just like if I need any, yeah, let us see that the rich kind of effects now. So I have all these transparent images now. I'm just adding this. Okay, some effect, some kind of effect I wanted to add it. So which may bring in the quality to my artwork. Okay, I'm adding that, and also I wanted to, now I wanted to, like whatever the smoke effect if you want to get it. So I'm just getting the smoke also. Likewise I have the smoke. So here I have the good smoke. Okay, I have all the smoke over here, right? Now what do I do? Now I will put these things over here, arrange, bring it to forward. Okay, so now see, we are able to create some effects in that portion only. So we have that figure like the extra. So we are now, let us copy this one, as this string is even more extending, right? I don't need that much string over there. So what do? I wanted to, I will crop this. So I select this image and there will be a crop option. So home, format, there will be a crop tool. So what I am doing, I am just, so crop doesn't like whatever you want. So it won't affect your image quality. Okay. So now we have cropped up to here. So now it is perfect image like this. So now it is under that only. So that is usually we call it as a string. So now if you want, you can use it anywhere, or else I rotate it like this. I want to create a different effect now. Okay, so I can create a different effect now. Okay, so now instead of yellow, I wanted to make it green color so that it will look a rich appeal. Okay, so some effect is there. So you can add the photographs, so you can add the flags at the back end. Got it? So those things, whatever you want, you can simply create that. So you just play with it. Okay, so this kind of richness you can bring in the image or background. Okay, like I wanted to add the Telangana shape at the back end. So what do? I have the Telangana picture over here. So I just need to add the Telangana over here. Okay, I'm just adding that. First of all, I wanted to fill it up with the white color. Oh, it is filling the background. Okay, Okay, so let us see whether it will work on. Yeah, it is giving you that. So now, so there is something, an effect is there on that, right? You are able to see that. So likewise, we can get the effects, whatever we want, we can create all the effects in that way. Got it? So background, there is a Telangana shape of state. So likewise, you can create as many things as possible, as many backgrounds you can put, so that you can bring in the quality over there, in the richness, you can bring in the richness in the image. So if you observe the graphic, like if you observe any photograph, immediately you should be able to get that. So I am going to show you now how to play with the colors, because now I can say Chetna has done the perfect job. Like she has done some good color and all those things. So now I have complaints about that, because technically, okay, she might, for looking purpose, it may be good to just to look at it, but that she followed a theory behind the colors, and usually we call that as a color theory. So there is a leaflet over here. Okay, so I wanted to work on, I wanted to comment on that. I wanted to give you more knowledge in that regard, because every time the color combination only will damage the entire ad quality. Guys, do you agree? Color combination will damage our ad quality because we do not select the proper colors. How many of you have that kind of feeling?
True. We are
Yes.
agreed. Yes, sir.
So, because see, we have selected the pink color, white color, these two combination is okay. But pink and black, is that okay? Or any other color which can bring in, like she has selected the pink and there is a some other color also at the back end, the dot. Okay, but does that color mix up with these colors? This pink, black, white, red. See how many colors he has used: white, red, and also there is another pink color in that, and again there is a yeah. So there is this color. So six colors he is using, and different colors. But all these colors are matching with each other, or the same family colors or different family colors. Look wise, okay, we are saying it's okay, but technically, is this perfect? Like if you are doing the project for any branding, because you are the marketers, you need to do the branding, right? So in you need to manage all these things. Color psychology, color theory will be there. So these things you need to adopt, you need to learn. So let us learn that first. So we have first, let us see color wheel. So guys, you all are the graduates. I'm just showing you the directory. I don't teach all these things. Okay, I can give you only the direction, but the remaining thing you need to watch it. So there is a color wheel. Like this color wheel says that is like any color if you have, okay, so there will be a color theory. As per the color theory, there is one formula. So if you pick up the yellow color, then the contrast opposite the direction of the color wheel, you must use it. So you must use this purple color, and if you want to use this color, you should use this color. Okay, so green color, if you want, you can use this color. But how do I know these colors now? Okay, so for that we have the color codes also. Okay, you will find the color wheel with the color code. So this may be the good one. Okay, I am typing the color wheel with color code. So this is the primary color, secondary color. So there is a color theory which you need to run learn. Okay, so as per this color theory, okay, so there will be color theory with color codes. I am just color wheel with color codes. I am just typing. Okay, so you got no color codes in that. Yeah, we have the color wheel over here, and they are giving you the color codes for it. Okay, so you can pick up any color. So like if you say the complementary, so this opposite color. Okay, there is a different methods over there. So you can select. So this is the red color code, this is this color code, blue color shade. Okay, so green color shade, you have all these colors. So you will be having the color wheel, and there is another wheel over here, see, which is giving you even more color codes over there. Okay, so these color codes will be usually in the RGB format. RGB is used for a normal desktop publishing, and CMYK, there will be another color code mode which is CMYK. CMYK is for the poster designing, the hoardings, the you will print it, right? For only that kind of flexi printing, you must use the CMYK color mode or color code. Normally, for the website graphic designing, the RGB color code is enough. Okay, we follow the RGB color code. So usually three color codes will be there. So this is the color wheel as you need to follow. So now let us see the color theory. Okay, so there is a color theory behind this. So as per this color theory, there are some certain, see the how these colors are framed like CMYK, they are saying that. Okay, so this is the color wheel, and this color wheel we have the primary colors, secondary colors, and tertiary colors. So three colors will be there, three color shades will be there. So they are talking about that. Okay, so primary color, cool colors, what are the warm colors, what are the cool colors, and they are giving you that knowledge, and what is hue saturation, and we have the color schemes, which color scheme you want to use. Suppose now Chetna has used six colors. It is a very big, six colors means it is completely high end work actually. So usually we will be having these kind of modes like complementary color, analogous, like analog means the same color, same family color. So like side by side, one will dominate, one will be like that. So three colors will be there in the same pattern. And the triadic, three different colors. Like if you take the Congress logo, there will be three different colors, because that is the they cannot change it, right? So they have fixed the three colors. So now whatever you do, you can use only those three colors and create the Congress related one. So you cannot add the fourth color over there. The fourth color can be a white color, that's not extra, but one can use only those three colors over there in the Congress flag, in any party flag. So you must stick to the color code of that particular flag. Okay, so that likewise, so there will be situations wherein the three colors are fixed. In that case, what should be the alternative colors, what should be the other color, so you must use that. So suppose if I fix these three things, then I need an analogous. So I will select the analogous mode over here, then automatically I will get these three colors over there, side by side colors. Okay, so if you are facing the problem with that, like which color should I select and all those things, so we have a color wheel. Okay, color code and color wheel combination. There is a tool over here which can help you. Yeah, so Adobe color wheel. But it is not giving you these schemes, so you need to decide these schemes. And yesterday night I have shown you one app which is giving you the color schemes also. Yeah, so here we have the color schemes also, analogous. So this is the analogous color. Like if I take the Congress color, so usually it is double F 98 90 33. Okay, so there will be a color code for that. Okay, so these things, this one I wanted to fix. This is the fixed color. Then we have the, so here I want to fix this double F 9933. Okay, in the triad, so I need to fix the three colors, right? So I'm just fixing all the three colors now. One color is that one, and the second color, it is completely white. So for the white it is all F, for the black it is all 00. Okay, it is changing the scheme automatically when we select it, but my tool, it will not select that. Okay, so here we are selecting the primary color, secondary color, something like that, and it is exact theme. I am not getting this exact grade accessibility. So this is not allowing us to add the colors whatever we like. So automatically one initially color you give, it is giving you the different colors. But what is the tool which I am suggesting, that will automatically fix up. Yeah, this one is the color one, custom one. Let me see this, the combination with this FFF 9933. Okay, yeah, it is working now. Custom color code is working for us. Now we have the green color. The green color code is something. When you work for a branded work, so like branded logos, so they will give you the main color codes for that. So these three colors are there. Okay, so now these three colors we need to fix now. So my color theme, it is, I am just fixing that. Okay, there is a theme which is fixed now. Now whenever I want to create any logo, I can use only the color combination, these color combination, right? So then later on I'll go with another family. So the three families colors only I can use it. I cannot use the other color code. Like suppose if I want to create any image by highlighting this color, then I want to go with analogous mode. Okay, so I should fix the main primary color over here. Okay, FFF 9933. Okay, so these all are the analogous colors if I for this particular combination. So you don't worry to fix up the different, select the different colors which can mix up or not. Okay, which may look good or not. So you decide over there and how exactly you wanted to proceed with that, so you can proceed that. So this is one family. So there is a monochromatic scheme. So this is the scheme for that. You make it one color code as primary, and you will get all the same color monochromatic colors over there. Okay, so this is the family which you can bring in. And if you want to use the complementary, like opposite, contrast to any one particular color, okay, so this is how you can use that. So in the same family you can use it. Okay, so these all are the other color codes. Like if you say the analogous monochromatic, okay, and you got the Bharat Jodo color. So how exactly that is the opposite or the contrast to the complementary to the red color. So they have selected only the specific exact one. They did nothing over there. Now you got the beautiful Bharat Jodo Yatra color. So that is really looking the like a branded color, right? So how they are created, how they come to that conclusion, whether it is the opposite color or not, because of the color wheel only, color schemes only. Okay. So this is how you can find all the colors. So it is how it is giving. So double squid complementary square. Suppose if you have four colors, if you have multiple colors, Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors. Okay, likewise. So 5 colors is the most dominant. Usually we will play with only 3 colors. So 4 colors is also a risky game. But yes, you must use these kind of color code combination. So go through the color theory, color wheel. So this is how you can use the app which I am suggesting. It is giving you the specific one, like it is related or you just fix something and in that only it will work. So that is how the app is designed, and it is giving you the good colors, color codes. That is color gear. Color gear app is working well. So you can just try that. So this one also on desktop you can try, but color gear I recommend. Okay, because I liked it a lot. So whatever I want, immediately I'm getting that. It is not at all wasting my time over there, and simple to use. Okay, I'm fixing something I can fix over there, and I will get all the color codes. I use just I use the mobile phone, and I start creating that, designing the color. So that is how simple it is, right? So if I need the shades of the same color, so you can also get the shades for the same color. So you need the shades of this color FF. Okay, so these all are the different shades for that in the same family color. You can, these all are the shades for that, different family colors. Okay, so this is how you can. Okay, so you can select the colors. Okay, now there will be a color psychology also, so that you can see that. So guys, got the idea what to, how to use the color theory now? Okay, so just go through this content whatever we have over here on internet, so you can just easily connect that. But practically I have shown you, you might have got good idea also now. Now there will be a color psychology also, that also you must know, like when you are creating the logo. Okay, so there will be color psychology. Okay, so these color psychology says, okay, so for a different, like you have these many colors, black, white, red, blue, green, primary and secondary and tertiary colors you have. So as per this, what is warm colored? So when you use the warm colored, so will reported as more effective than cool colored one. So warm colors are influencing more. Okay, so that is the score. So color can influence your performance. See color. So that is the reason why for the branded logos or branded ad, the more people respond it, because in that particular frame for the branded ads, indirectly the marketer use the objects behind that which are matching with the color code, color scheme, so that to elevate, to get that feeling from the customers. Okay, so film directors or ad film makers, so they use all these color psychology. Okay, so that is how they bring in the quality over there. Okay, so psychological effects, therapy, influence on for performance, we have that. And there is a color psychology which I will show you which color code can connect with which mood. So the color code, the color scheme will also change the mood of the customer. So whatever they see, these are the color schemes. So if you have the red, it is used for excitement, strength, love and energy. So if you want to have, like if you see the Coca-Cola and they use the red color over there. Orange, it is for confidence, success and bravery, social ability. Okay, so that is the reason why political parties they use this color. Yellow is for creativity, happiness and warmth and cheer. Green is for nature, healing, freshness and quality. Blue is for trust, peace, loyalty and competence. So you decide the characteristics of your brand, then accordingly you should select the color. Okay, compassion, sincerity, sophistication, sweet. So now then is something like royalty, luxury, spirituality and ambition. dependable, rugged, trustworthy, simple, formality, dramatic, sophistication, security, black. So clean, simplicity, innocence, and honest. So you decide the characteristics for your logo. Then according to the characteristics, you should select the colors. Okay, so red. So usually what exactly the red says? Red attracts the most attention and it is associated with the strong emotions such as love, passion, and anger. It's the universal color to signify strength, power, and courage and danger. Red is vibrant, stimulating, and exciting with a strong link to sexuality and increased appetites. Like any food things you have, so wherever you want to create the desire, so the red color will design that. That is the reason why if you go to the McDonald's or something, they use the red color over there in the posters. Okay, because they wanted to increase that appetite, right? So that you just get attracted to the food over there and purchase the product from them. So that is how they use the color. And you, if you observe the McDonald, if you go enter into that McDonald, automatically everything will be in the red color only. Okay, that means the moment you sit over there, you will feel more hungry. You will indirectly, the psychology will work out, and you will order more. And I am sure whenever you wanted to, whenever you have visited the McDonald's, you have ordered one extra order. Okay, am I right? Something you wanted to eat only little bit, but you have consumed or you have ordered one more extra piece over there. Something like that. Okay, because the branding which they, the colors which they maintain, that influence your psychology if you observe. So red is energizing and exciting and motivating us to act. It can also give confidence to those who are shy or lacking in willpower. So it's warm and positive energy associated with our most physical needs and our will to survive. So it excludes a strong and powerful masculine energy. It enhances metabolism, increases respiration rate, and raises blood pressure. By looking at the color, these things will happen. Just imagine the psychology. So wear red to energize the group or the meeting, but in smaller patches of the outfit such as blouse or scarf, it also does wonders to uplift your mood in a dark green, gray, black, and navy basic ensemble. So these all are the things which you can learn about the color codes. So I will share the sheet with you. You can just go through that. So there is a color psychology behind that. You should spend some time on it. I am sharing that with the group now. Okay, so you can go through the color psychology. So we have learned the color wheel, then the color theory and color psychology also. These things are important. So now I am sure now you will never make a mistake with the colors collection, right? So that is the only reason. Chetna, now can you create a branded color? Can you select the your logo colors now? You just need to spend some time on it. Chetna, are you there? Okay, so these all are the color combinations which will work out for you. Okay, so what I have suggested is, so here in this color wheel, color gear, here there is a pencil icon. So there I am fixing my primary color. Okay, then whatever the color scheme I select, according the primary color is always fixed over there. Okay, only one color you can fix. Once if you fix the primary color, automatically it is giving you all the different schemes of colors. And the beauty of that is you can create a palette and wherein automatically CMYK colors and RGB colors and the hex codes also it is giving automatically. Okay, so that is very useful, so that you generate the color scheme and you give it to your graphic designer, so they will get all the color schemes, so they will always easily comfortably work on that. So it is giving you the asset like whatever we wanted to build. Okay, so directly it is giving, so we can just create a take a screenshot and we can do that. So okay guys, so this is all about the color theory and color wheel. Anyone have any doubts over here, you can ask.
No, it's good, sir.
Done?
Yeah.
Now Chetna, you redesign the same thing with the color schemes which I have suggested by using the color wheel color concept. Then you see the impact of your brochure, like that ad. Okay, how it looks. And if you want to influence them also, you can influence them with the color code. So we have learned about the ICPs over there, like define personas and our target audience, and also we have seen the branded content development. Okay, so branded content development. Then the third is defining the targeting approaches. Okay, so let us see how to define the targeting approaches, and we need to do a lot of research where your customer is spending more time on that. So let us do something on that, because these three steps are very important, especially when you are planning something, when you are planning a marketing campaign or branding project. So guys, now I'm saying that you can just follow this color wheel, color psychology and color theory. You can create the local brands now. Like, you can do the branding, like there is a, in the branding also there is a theory behind that. Okay, so you can also the brand management and the color branding. Okay, so branding and color branding is a bit different subject, and you can do that now. Okay, so you read these three concepts, you would be you can create the local brands now. Now let us explore how to do a research so that we can define all my target approaches. Okay, now go to Google. What exactly I'm trying to do is, over here I need to identify the influential sources, or I need to identify the marketplaces where my customers are visiting. So in that case, initially you should type in like a normal customer, like I wanted to take the digital marketing training. So what do? I type something like a digital marketing training. Okay, so the moment I type in this thing, I'm getting these many results. Okay, so this is another institute, there is a Google, and there is another institute, there is another institute, there is something, these all are the different institutes only. Okay, everybody is ranking for that institute only. So digital marketing school.in, XLR. So what is this XLR HubSpot? Let us see this. So there is a digital marketing certification course by HubSpot. It is also another institute, I think. Okay, so these all are the chances, or these are the places most of the people visit. Now you can see there is a website called Just Dial. So this is the marketplace wherein you can list your business, right? It is something like a Just Dial is a nothing but a directory. So you need to find all these URLs. Okay, so you can find some good top int. So there is another topint.com. Maybe this is for businesses. Tops technology. So it is not the training institute, but it is saying something. It is generating the leads, I think. So you have the training centers, key highlights, certificates, and attend a free demo. You can just go see what is the problem. So they are simply using the color theory. Okay, that, but they are not using the prominent color wheel concept. Okay, so the tops, this color and black color is different one actually. So they are not use the complementary colors. That is how this kind of look is coming. Okay, so they can correct the logo over there so that they can bring in more richness over there. So by simply looking at this only, you can easily tell that. I thought this is also one marketplace like Justdale, but I think it is not. Because just spend some time on it. Okay, so you will find all the articles, and also you should type in how to learn digital marketing, something like there will be how to questions. Like you need to, how can I teach how to learn digital marketing online? So let us see this. There may be some articles. So webdew.com. So let us see what is this webdew. Okay. So you cannot guest post over there. You cannot post your content. So they are not allowing you to post your content on their site. Okay. So we need to identify the different platforms now. So skill with learn, there also you cannot. Careers, careersidekick.com. So let us see this. So you need to spend some time on it to identify the sources where you can write an article and influence your customer. Okay, so this is how you should think like a customer and type the articles, type the place. Like there is a Quora, see here. Okay, so you got the Quora over here. Okay, so there you can write. So you have already have received how do I learn digital marketing? For that already have written one answer. So let us see what I have written over there. Like I will tell you in Quora what exactly I did. Like usually what exactly the people will type in to identify the best digital marketing institute. So they type which is the best digital marketing institute in Hyderabad. So let us go to the answer from Quora over here. Okay, I'm just clicking on that. There it is showing I have written an answer. So I'm just clicking on that. See here what exactly I wrote over there. Naresh IT is the best digital marketing training institute. Okay, best digital marketing training and placements institute in Hyderabad. One of my friend got job in Accenture. I thank Naresh IT as they have added a lot of value to my friend's career. And couple of his friends got jobs even in Wipro and Virtusa. So guys, what I'm trying to do over there with this simple 3 sentences. Is it educating the people? Creating awareness? Identify problem or providing the solution or not? Yes?
Yeah, it is, yes.
Yeah. So this is how, so you see if you go to the Quora, so the Quora is a place wherein it will give us an option to add the topics which are relevant to you, and it would ask you the questions over there. So Simi ma'am, Chetana, this is very useful tactic for you because Quora is famous nowadays. So if you select the
Yes, sir.
pencil icon over there, you can now add all the topics whatever you know. Okay, that means Quora will give you the questions on that particular topic. If that particular word is there, it will give you the question. So you should see the question and think, so is there any good digital marketing course in Hyderabad? So if I answer this query, whether I would get the prospect or lead, guys, just imagine, observe this question and tell me, if I answer this question, whether I would get the prospect, I can meet prospect or lead or buyer, to whom I can meet,
prospect, sir. Or
who is, who is prospect? Yeah,
you are getting a lead.
yeah. So if I answer, because lead is someone who knows something about your product or
Yeah.
service, he knows about your product or service, that is digital marketing course, he needs that.
Yes.
There, if you answer, you can drive the lead traffic to your business. So there is what exactly you need to do. You need to act like a third party. What I'm doing over here, in my case. So likewise, you can add your English related queries, listening, speaking, something like that. Chetna can add. Seema ma'am, you can add eye care, retina care, or something, whatever the words are there. You can add all those things. Then immediately you would start getting the questions in your Quora account. Then there, as a third party, you should promote your business over there. Not directly. See here, am I talking about myself over there? I am writing, but who knows that? I have mentioned it as I am the digital marketing strategist and I am promoting the knowledge site. No one knows that I am the trainer over there. I am promoting over there, right? They think that some third party, some person, some famous digital marketing strategist, some other, the senior digital marketing strategist is becoming Naresh IT. Okay, that is what the perception which you are creating. Guys, anybody has come or come across this kind of reviews or this kind of content before joining this course?
No.
Any one of you in your class? Anyone got influenced by Quora? Yes,
Oh, we
Sanjay
got,
got.
yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay. See here, one
But we
person
never
is already
get
there. Yeah.
but we never get the review. Like, I didn't post yet anything because I'm still learning. So I didn't post anything regarding that.
No, no, no. You need to do it for your business, I'm saying.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Review I was asked, but no one has did. But you can add the reviews. That is a different story. But this is to influence your business indirectly. So, like you are creating a word of mouth publicity online. Okay. But I'm not putting any link over there. Why? So the people may perceive that I am promoting that. So I don't want to get into that. I'm just wanted to give them the advice over there. And as I have mentioned in Naresh IT, they just to do this, copy this, and they type in over there. Okay, they just copy that and they type in over there in the Google and they come back to, they will search for you. Okay, so only because somebody has promoted, there is no link is given, the people will, the psychology of the customer, they would struggle a lot so that to connect with that. Okay, because you got some clue over there. So this is how the people play. So these things you need to plan in advance. Likewise, just imagine how many questions or answers I have answered over here, and since how long I am doing this. Definitely, I am sure one customer or one student of mine would be there over here on this Quora. So this is one kind of marketing strategy. Like you can see these 21s, 2020, 2019, 2018, 2017. Okay, so since 2016 I was doing, there are more articles also, but it is the proof for since 2017 I'm doing these things. And everywhere, whatever I am answering, I am targeting only the lead traffic only. Whatever the query which is generating a lead traffic to me, I am focusing on that only. See, it got what is the basic pay in digital marketing? 1.3k views I got it for that, and one upvote, one share. How do I reactivate my PRAN account which is deactivated? So these are the technical questions also sometimes I address so that the people can follow me. Okay, seriously we are not putting, but yeah, if you put our effort seriously on this.
Where do you display all these questions, sir?
See, I will no, I won't display. I will write the answer. The Quora will take care of that, promoting that, because somebody write the type the same thing, it will display my answer.
Okay.
So in Quora, if you do some, so if you post the same query, it will display your answer over there. If no other competitor is writing an ad or answer, so your answer will be promoted over there. You will get more views over there. Okay. So that is how you can influence your customers. Okay. So this is one source wherein you can influence. Likewise, there will be a medium. There is a Ask a Laila. There is a Wiki Answers, Yahoo Answers. So there are so many n number of places like Quora. Okay. So through which the people will make their decision. So they will go through that, and that is how they depend on their decision making style. So they get the advices, open advices from the public, and they make their decision. So as this is this decision making style of the customers nowadays, as a marketer, we are intelligently acting over there. Got it? See, these kind of infrastructures are not created only for the marketing purpose, but as a marketer, we are taking, as a digital marketer, wherever the possibility is there to connect with the customer or influence the customer, we are taking that technical opportunity and we are turning that opportunity in our favor. Got the point?
Yeah.
अपने लिए इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर नहीं है, ये मार्केटिंग मेथड नहीं, जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है उसको अपन मार्केटिंग मेथड में कन्वर्ट कर ले रहे, अपने बेनिफिट के लिए यूज कर रहे. तो वट एवर द अवेलेबल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इज देयर. Facebook has created one infrastructure. We are using it for our benefit. LinkedIn is they have installed or they have created one infrastructure, but we are using it for our business purpose, right? Likewise, whatever the different opportunities or technical infrastructures are there, we are trying to utilize the best to utilize those platforms to connect with our customer for our business benefit. Okay, everybody using the same thing, so you are also doing the same thing. Okay, these things have to do over there. Now got the clarity defining the targeting approaches. So this is how you can find. So if you spend more time on that, you will find you can find more number of results or places over there. Now let us do it. Let me show you one skill which is required over there. Sometimes you may need to download all the results which you are getting over there. So I am just going through this and I am getting these many website URLs and I wanted to download it. So how do I download it? So there is a tool called SEO Quick. There is an extension, Google Chrome extension, which I have installed. I am just turning it on. Okay, so immediately it is showing export to CSV option. I am just clicking on that export CSV. I am getting all the links in one document. Okay, that is downloaded over there. See, within a second I could able to download all the URLs up to 100 results. I can able to download 98 results it is saying. Now the problem is it has the link over there in that, but the problem is there is junk also. I wanted to separate the only website names or the web page URLs. How do I do that? So for that there is another technique. Guys, please pay attention over here. I am selecting the whole column. Go to data, select the whole column, go to data. There is a option called text to column. So I am selecting that. There is option called text to column and I am clicking on next, and I wanted to separate with the semicolon. See, if you observe, the semicolon is there in the whole content, every content, and this is how your content is separated. This is what exactly I need, right? So I am just clicking next and finish. Done. Now simply you got all the URLs in one particular column and you don't need, this is the link which is junk. I am just selecting all and deleting. You got all the URLs now. Okay, you got all the important URLs. Now this is how simply you can download all the Google URLs. What else you need? This is also one of the skill. If you want to make a note of the good list of websites. Okay, so likewise this skill may be useful for you. So likewise you download, go to first page, second page, third page and see. Got it? So you can find a lot of places later on. So this is how one can download the result. Got it? Learned anything today? So we have spent a lot of time, especially in the funnel development, because it is very, very important for us. So
So
these
would you
things,
let me know? Sorry. Would you let me know? I got the process like how to select the URLs and then go to the next and do the semicolon and we get all. Would you show me how we did it? How one more time, please? Sorry,
just a minute.
like from where we.
Okay, so I'm going to this export CSV. There is an extension. SEO Quake is that extension name.
Its name is S
EO Quake.
Q U I C K, sir.
No, no, no. Here you can see that.
Oh, quick. Oh, okay. This one. Okay.
Okay, so this is the Google Chrome extension, which is here. You can see that it is installed in my browser.
That's why. Okay.
So these are the
Okay.
browser extensions.
Okay.
So there are so many. See, digital marketing, Google extensions you type, you will get thousands of Google extensions. Okay, which are useful for the digital marketer. Okay,
Right.
Google Chrome extensions useful for a digital marketer, something like that. You type, you will get a lot of extensions. You play with that.
Mhm.
Okay.
Right, sir.
So now this is how you can type the extensions. You can get that. Now we got the entire sheet over there in this, like this. In one column, all the data is there. Select the column A, go to data, write down.
Yeah. Yes,
Select
sir.
the column A, then go to data. Okay. First you need to select the column. Then select the column A and go to data. Then text to columns. Text to
Okay.
columns. Okay. Then click next.
Yes, sir. And then semicolon.
Separate with the semicolon.
Mhm.
Okay. Then next. Then finish. Then next and then finish. The only Excel is taking care of that. We are not doing anything. Just you are following the
Yeah.
instruction.
Yeah, that I saw that you didn't open even the Excel sheet by itself. Like by default,
Yeah.
it done, right? Yeah.
Mm. Okay.
Okay.
So this is how we can separate all these things.
Okay, sir.
So see, guys, there are certain skills which for me it may be a second's job, but for you it may be hours job.
Yeah.
Okay. So that is the reason why I say you try to practice or put the things in place. So one small skill if you learn today and day after tomorrow and day after tomorrow one small skill altogether after 10 days all these 10 skills will become a robust skill for you. So this is how you will become more, you will get even more confident. So that is the reason why whenever every day whatever the skill which I teach you, you just need to practice it as it is. Okay, so as how that Chetna did today yesterday. Okay, she has come up with a, even I may not get that kind of quality. I am sure that because I won't be having that much time. Right?
Yeah.
Yes, if we spend some time on it, we may get, but we won't be having that much time. So that is the problem. Okay, guys. So that's all it for the day. So I think we have covered all the topics with regard to the digital marketing funnel. So I conclude the digital marketing funnel process now. We have learned all the funnel processing. Okay.
Mhm.
So we are going to learn this analytics. Actually, we need to learn this analytics today. So we missed that. So we will learn these analytics, funnel development, and the acquisition strategy and conversion strategy will cover tomorrow. Okay then. So thank
Do
you.
we have a
So
class
tomorrow
tomorrow? No.
means no Monday. Tomorrow means Monday.
Is we are open on Monday. Monday is Diwali, sir.
Monday will intimate you in the group.
On the group chat. Okay.
Group
Okay, sir.
will inform you in the group.